Hello, you beautiful people. So today, inshallah, we are going to introduce a new field of linguistics, especially in S4, which is called morphology. And in this video, inshallah, we are going to study the basic terms that will help you if you want to do a morphologic analysis or something like this. So the term morphology in linguistics is the study of words, how they are formed, and their relationship to other words in the same language. So here you can understand that morphology, instead of studying clauses, phrases, and its component, now we are going to study the component of a word, which means the structure of the word. Or we can just say يعني البنية ديال الكلمة، ماشي ديال الجملة ولكن ديال الكلمة، كيفاش كنكونوا الكلمة. It analyzes the structure of words and parts of words such as root words, prefixes and suffixes. إذا هنا كنفهموا أن المورفولوجي ولا for example morphology كدير لنا يعني studying the words، يعني كتشوف لي شنو هي original word، يعني شنو هو root word، or you can say the original word, and then كتشوف واش زاد عليها شي prefixes، okay, like in كيما عندنا في the word independently in front of you، ولا كاين شي suffix زاد عليها كيما عندنا ently which means dependently. Now let's see the word morpheme. What is morpheme? So morpheme is the smallest meaningful lexical item in a language, which means أن المورفيم هو واحد المقطع من واحد الكلمة اللي كيكون عندها بعض المرات دلالة أو بعض المرات ما تيكونش عندها دلالة. A morpheme is not a word. Pay attention please. There is a big difference between a morpheme and a word. يعني you may think يعني ربما أنك تكون تفكر أن الكلمة اللي هي أصغر يونت في لونجلي، ولكن راه كاين واحد الجزء ولا واحد المقطع اللي صغر مننا اللي تنسميوه المورفيم، which means أن بعض المرات المورفيمز كيتجمعوا مع بعضياتهم باش يكونوا لنا كلمة. Okay, word is that a morpheme sometimes does not stand alone. وحده من القواعد ديال المورفيم أن بعض المورفيمز ما تيقدروش يكونوا بوحدهم. For example, if we take the word ness ولا يعني for example the morpheme li ولا the morpheme ment، هادو ما عندهمش معنى. They cannot stand alone. خاصهم واحد original word باش تعطونا واحد new structure. But a word on this definition always stands alone. The field of linguistic study dedicated to morphemes is called morphology, which means the word morpheme belongs to the science of morphology. إذا هنا كنفهموا أن المورفيم بعض المرات has a meaning, which means, for example, إلا قلت the word cat ولا the word baby, so the word baby is a morpheme, okay? And it is lexical morpheme because it has a meaning, it has a content, okay? So morpheme sometimes can stand alone, which means it has a meaning. ولكن sometimes morphemes بحال ness and ment and so on, for example kindness, so dickness it is a morpheme but it cannot stand alone, okay? خاصة واحد original word واللي كنسميوه root word in order to make it another word. For example, kind is an adjective. If I add ness, it becomes a noun, which means kindness. In English, when a morpheme can stand alone, it is considered a root because it has a meaning of its own. إذن كما قلت لكم بأن الروت يكون عنده meaning, such as the morpheme cat. So the word cat راه عندها meaning. So هذه كنقول لها a morpheme that can stand alone اللي هي original word اللي هي root word. When it depends on another morpheme to express an idea, it is an affix because it has a grammatical function. إذن ملي كنشدو الword original word اللي هي cat, which means a lexical morpheme اللي هي واحد المورفيم that can stand alone, that has a meaning, okay? And we add the s plural, which means another morpheme, it becomes the word cat has two morphemes. يعني إذا تتولي عندي the word cats يعني اللي زدنا لها plural s كيولي عندها two morphemes. عندي the original morpheme اللي هو cat وزدت ليها the plural s اللي هو second morpheme اللي كنسميوه الaffix. علاش كنديروا هذا الاس؟ باش نديروا indication ديال plurality. So here are some examples of morphemes. So only one morpheme in a word, which is in this side, and more than one morpheme in a word, which is in the other side. So the word guitar, sometimes it becomes guitarist, and the guitarist has two morphemes. The word read. So read, sometimes it can be reading. So reading has two morphemes. Child, childishness. So this word has three morphemes, which is child, ishness. 3. And teach. We have the word teacher, then it becomes two morphemes. Teach and ear. Beautiful, we have beautifully, 3 morphemes. Big, we have biggest, 2 morphemes. Sweet, we have sweetie, 2 morphemes. Happy and happy, we have 2 morphemes, and etc.